Judge Monty Trent. I'm a district judge serving at the Mayor's and City of London Court, and I've been a solicitor specialising in civil and family law for the last 42 years. About 15 years ago, I was invited to become an author contributing to the Brown Book. And this is a book that we wrote from the ground up as a result of the new civil procedure rules that came into force in 1998. These were a new procedural code, and we decided that we were going to write a new procedural book. It wasn't going to be a textbook, it wasn't going to be an encyclopedia, but what it would contain is everything that people who go into the courts day by day were going to need in order to assure themselves that they would be doing justice to their clients and themselves in the courts. So all the material that they needed was going to be there. We used a number of experts in the field to write it, procedural judges, solicitors and barristers who practiced every day in the courts. We made sure that we were dealing with practical matters, the matters that people needed access to and to have the tools to work with. It was going to be concise, one volume only, it was going to be affordable, and it was going to be bang up to date so that people could dip into it and find the law quickly. Above all, we had 60 procedural guides that we wrote, leading people into the rules themselves. And the guides range from everything you need to do in a civil court, from starting a claim right the way through applying for a judicial review. And you look at these guides and they are in tabular form, they're straightforward, they're concise, and they lead you straight into the rules and to the commentary that we've made on all the rules, where we set out very briefly the rules, the meanings of the rules, and the relevant cases, and only the relevant cases and the most modern cases. It's very important these days because the Court of Appeal have made it clear that they're not going to give relief from sanction if people get things wrong. And therefore, you've got to get to grips with this and the new cost regime that came into force in April of this year. And in order to do that and explain the mysteries of QOCs and DBAs, and above all cost budgeting, the rules will provide the answers and show you the way, and show you the way when you need it quickly, affordably, and it will show it to you when you need it in court. So I hope that will help you understand why I think this is probably the most valuable tool in every court user's briefcase when they attend court.